Hi to all. Once again, welcome back to Avisan Kitchen. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to make a very quick and simple vegetarian starter, cauliflower stir fry in Hamare style. Wow, it looks so beautiful. So let's start now. For this we have taken here fresh cauliflower. Wash it in a water and clean them nicely. First we are going to marinate this. So add soya sauce. And salt as per taste. Mix it nicely. Now it is ready to fry. Isn't it too simple? Now take a bowl and add 3 to 4 teaspoons of corn flour, red chilli powder, salt as per taste, and water. Mix it nicely and make a smooth batter like this. Take oil in a pan. Once oil becomes hot, dip our cauliflower pieces into the batter. And put it in an oil. Fry them on a low to medium flame until it becomes golden brown color. Wow, you can see it's nicely done. So take them out. Now fry all remaining pieces like this. It's done. Here is our cauliflower stir fry. It's ready. Isn't it too simple and quick recipe? It looks so crispy. So do try it, eat it, and tell us your feedback in a comments box. you liked our recipe, do like our video and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for the new notifications. Thank you.